In this video, I'll show you how to turn a normal Webflow landing page link into a tracked link. Then I'll show you exactly what data gets recorded when someone clicks it. To do this, I'll use a tool called ClickMagick. If you want to follow along, you can use the link in the description to get a 14-day free trial. Let's get started. In this walkthrough, the editable button is on my WordPress demo page. The destination is a Webflow SaaS landing page. That way, I can control the button in one place while still sending visitors to the Webflow page. I'll start by opening the Webflow landing page. This is the direct link the button should send people to. I'll copy it so I can use it as the destination inside ClickMagick. Next, I'll open ClickMagick and add a new tracking link. For the name, I'll use Webflow SaaS Demo. Then I'll paste the Webflow link into the destination field and save it. ClickMagick now creates a tracking link for me. I'll copy that tracking link and go back to the WordPress editor. Then I'll open the Webflow button settings and replace the direct link with the ClickMagick tracking link. Nothing changes visually on the page. The visitor still sees the same button and lands on the same Webflow landing page. But now the click is recorded before the visitor reaches Webflow. I'll save the page and open the live version. Now I'll click the Webflow button once. The Webflow page loads, so the destination is correct. Back in ClickMagick, I'll refresh the Smart Links report. Now I can see how many clicks this Webflow link receives. The main table shows total clicks, unique clicks, flagged clicks, cost, revenue, net, cost per click, earnings per click, and return on investment. Inside the click details, I can review the clicks per day chart, link view, refer, sub-ID 1, unique click status, IP address, country flag, and timestamp. I hope this helped. Try ClickMagick for yourself using the link below. You'll get a 14-day free trial.